This one is called Cleaning Fairy Went to Wrong New Jersey House. His TikTok rant explains hilarious mix-up. The Cherry Hill townhome that the Motzels had been renovating was messy when they left in the morning, but spotlessly clean when Mr. Motzel opened the front door in the evening. No dust, dirt, or grime. Beth Motzel said, "My husband called me in a panic and he said that someone was here and they cleaned the whole place." On a piece of paper was a note in Sharpie explaining that someone's cleaner went to the wrong address, along with a name and phone number. That cleaner was Barrington resident Louis Angelo III, whose TikTok posted June 20th explaining the hilarious mix-up has garnered more than 600,000 views. Commenters dubbed Angelo South Jersey's cleaning fairy and are begging him to break into their homes too. So here's how Angelo ended up in that situation. He works at a liquor store, but he also cleans his friends' houses on the side for some extra cash. One day last month, he got a new client through word of mouth. It was a friend's coworker. They texted him the Cherry Hill address and told him that they left a key under the mat to get inside. But Angelo accidentally jotted down the wrong address. He had the correct street, but the house number was off by 1 digit. When the day finally arrived, Angelo pulled up to a townhome that had a key under the mat and assumed it was the correct place. The correct apartment was actually a 2-minute drive away. He spent about 2.5 hours scrubbing the stove, swiffering the floors, and once he was done, he started playing with the 2 cats in the apartment and got ready to leave. That's when Angelo's friend called asking if he ever came to clean the apartment. Moments later, panic set in as he realized his mistake. So Angelo recalled, "I said, I'm literally in your living room right now playing with your cats and waiting for you to walk in." And he was like, "Louis, I don't have any cats." In that moment, I froze. My heart dropped. I was just like, where am I right now? What's going on? Once the initial shock died down, his friend wrote a note to leave at the house. Everyone was able to laugh it off, and Angelo hopes the video helps drum up some business. He's also basking in his new title, the Cleaning Fairy. He said people have already contacted him about cleaning their homes after seeing the video, and he started a GoFundMe to create South Jersey Cleaning Fairy branded t-shirts. He said a lot of people in the comment section were saying stuff along the lines of, "I can't believe she didn't pay you." At the end of the day, I am okay with not getting paid for accidentally breaking into someone's apartment and cleaning it, because things could have been far worse. The cops could have been called. There could have been a lawsuit. The fact that they were so cool with it is a reward in itself. I was able to laugh it off and not have to worry about it, and it'll be a pretty cool story to tell. So the lesson in this whole thing is, don't leave your key under your mat or in a potted plant next to the door or the top of the door frame or any of those obvious places. Even if you've got somebody coming over, make other arrangements for how to hide a key or get them in. But these standard places like under the mat, every criminal knows to look under the mat. Really? Not only can you get this kind of mix-up, but you could get a bigger surprise.